I paint this painting because when I was a kid, I wanna be a astronaut. I wanna free myself so I can. I really want to be astronaut when I was a kid. Today I'm studying IT because that's my first choice. And I just want to say that pray yourself because no one can hold you back. Thank you for listening this video, ma'am. I'm sorry. This painting is so rush. I wanna be honest, ma'am. This painting is so rush, so I wanna be an astronaut. I wanna see the world, top of the world, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. This presenting is tapos na po. Thank you po. Please IT from UAP po. Block you.